How to report a tweet on Twitter. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to report a tweet on Twitter. First thing, go to Twitter and then let's see any tweet here like this one. Just click these 3 points here and now click this one, of course. Click on it and then just select anything you want like this one and then select anything else and then just click done. And if you want to block this user, just click here, and if you want to mute it, click here and then click done. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.